the reasons that I decided to take the course and the workshop was because I wanted to learn more about this concept of sustainability and about environmental justice in a way that would allow me to expand my understanding about these topics and about these issues and their synergies and interconnected implications with my own research and my own teaching. So I approached this experience really from a place of curiosity and openness. And initially, I felt very unprepared and ignorant about these issues. And I was afraid of asking questions, and I was afraid of sharing ideas. But the community of learning that was created through the workshop really allowed me to ask very basic, ignorant questions to then come to realize that, oh, I know sustainability, even though I don't have the word for it or didn't know what the word meant. I know, and I have seen, and I've engaged with these values and principles of sustainability. So it was this really wonderful aha moment. I developed a module that focuses specifically on sustainability that requires students to critically reflect on the various intersections between environmental justice, economic inequities, with anti-racist practices and anti-racist forms of mobilizing and organizing, and also looking at the intersections between environmental health with economic equity and social well-being. So in this course, students learn about the various histories, contributions, and lived experiences of Latinx and Chicanx communities, specifically here in the greater Silicon Valley. And so through this socio-historical analysis, they not only learn about what's happened in the past, but also about how communities are experiencing various forms of inequity, but also mobilizing and organizing themselves to bring about change. One of the greatest benefits from the integration of that assignment and that module is that students are now able to see how these issues of environmental justice, environmental health, and climate change issues are not issues to be looked at as independent from racial or economic or social injustices, but that all of these things are very much integrated. And that in many cases, communities have thoughts and ideas about how they are addressing these issues of environmental inequity through their own organizing and through their own cultural ways of being. And so my advice to those interested in taking the workshop is to be curious, to be open, and to be unafraid of the possibilities of realizing that you already know what sustainability is, and that perhaps you just had a different word for it.